Today we're here at Veteran Falls Memorial Park near Crivitz, Wisconsin. Heading down there, some magnets, a trash bag, and we're gonna remove some fuel barrels from down there. Should be fun.
Yeah.
Watch your step. Yeah, it's really cool right down there. Really neat down there. Welcome to Thunder River. Tread carefully. So there are a couple fuel barrels right down over here. Yeah, I'll show you. Let's get them out of there. They ain't gonna stick too well. I moved it a little bit. Oh yeah, there is an open end. I want to try to lift it up and dump it out maybe. Because the other barrel's stuck sideways like this in the sand. It's got to be dug out. Alright, I got it tipped. I feel stuff falling out of it now. I think the sand is still kind of caked in there. Yeah, there's other stuff besides sand. Maybe they're not fuel barrels, maybe garbage barrels. Is it empty yet?
No.
Yeah, that's good. I bet he's buried. And the open end is buried in the sand, so it's going to be all full of sand too. This thing is buried pretty deep. We've got to come back maybe next year after the current wash the sand away. Here's one. Very beautiful under there. Cold?
It's cold.
It is that bad.
A little chilly.
Well, I got a wetsuit on.
Yeah.
Well, at least we got that out. That's good. That's not heavy at all. I can probably grab it myself if you want. No, it's easier with two. Careful. Like a billy goat. Good job. All right, we're gonna come right in here and check this out. What? I found a ring. That is cool. I think it's got a diamond or something on the inside. Spinner. There's line everywhere. Stuck in all. There's hooks, line, all because Jason wants to catch trout. What do I do with that spinner now? Yeah, it's a cool ring, huh? There's something on the inside of it. Look at all the lead. There's just a bunch of sticks down there. It's lined in lead all over them.
Like there's a diamond mounted on the inside.
Yeah, I see that. There's a diamond on the inside of that ring. Get it? Beautiful day in the woods, down by the river. Just cleaning up. All right, get this guy in there without breaking anything. There we go, like a glove. What does that say on there? And at some time it was a fuel barrel, I think.
Something company.
Oh, got it out of the water. Job complete.
See all the copper on the outside now, and then you got that little diamond on the inside.
That is neat.